Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to use smart camera in Yandex on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And then without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Yandex applications over here. After, if you want to use your smart camera in Yandex, just simply tap on this icon, which is camera icon at the search bar. I'm gonna tap on it. After, you just have to activate for the camera first. Go to setting. Now in the settings, tap on the toggle beside the camera options. I'm gonna tap on it like this until it's turned green. Now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna open it again for my Yandex. So after here, I'm gonna tap on it again. For example, here I'm gonna take a photo for the object first. I'm gonna take this photo, yeah guys. And it will be look like this. When we use this search camera, it will be searching for the same object that we have take a picture from the camera, guys. This is the result. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.